What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to help you guys create a Gucci account. So let's begin. The first thing that you guys need to do is go on Google and search for Gucci. Good. Scroll down and click on their official site. Okay, accept all cookies. I don't mind that. Okay, and at it and at the top you have the option to sign in, and if you click on it, you have the option to create my Gucci account. So click on that. Now we can begin. You can either continue with Google, or you can fill in your email and click continue. Either way, it's fine. I'm gonna show you how to do it with an email. Click continue. Oh, okay. Now create a password. Good. And if you see here, you have special requirements. Please enter at least 8 characters. Please enter at least one number. Please enter at least one special character. So make sure you have all of those requirements in your password. Good. First name, last name. Now you guys have to fill in your birthday. Then click on create my profile. And you're good to go. That's all you guys have to do. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.